Pro marriage tip. It's important to show your wife you still love her and that chivalry is not dead. You want to continue to open doors for her. Watch your step, hon. Pro marriage tip. Sometimes it's important to leave little hints around for your wife so that she can better understand and meet your needs.
How you like your bacon cooked so he doesn't mess it up while you're in the shower.
Pro marriage tip. Sometimes to keep the romance alive in your relationship, you gotta think a couple steps ahead. Honey.
What's this for?
Your headache.
I don't have a headache.
Pro marriage tip. If you're having a debate or a heated discussion with your wife, just simply remind her that you make more money than her and that your opinion means much more. She'll then concede her position and you'll win the argument. Pro marriage tip. If you're out in public and someone's honking to get your attention, it's a good time to remind the wife that she's not the only fish in the sea and someone else might be interested in you.
They're honking because the light turned green 2 minutes ago.
Oh, crap. Pro marriage tip. When you get done using the restroom, make sure not to use deodorizing spray.
Oh, Jim, what did you eat?
Help remind her who the alpha is. Pro marriage tip. You can tell what kind of evening you're going to have by what kind of mood she's in. And you can tell what kind of mood she's in by the way she greets you when you get home from work. And I've been working hard and hot, coming in hot. Expect to have some food, cold beer maybe waiting on me. We'll see. Listen, honey, I'm home. You're a man from working hard all day. Hot and hard to the... Ooh, that's not exactly what I was hoping for. Looks like I'm making my own dinner. Honey, I'm home.
That's in perfect timing. Livers are done.
Woo, how about that?
Like, give a second.
It's gonna be a good day.